Hey there, friends! I've got an amazing and easy-to-use Telegram bot to share with you today. It allows you to download any content from Instagram effortlessly, be it a photo or a video. Follow these simple steps to get started. Copy the link of the Instagram content you wish to download. Open Telegram, and in the search bar, look for Instagram Save Free Bot. Open the bot, hit start, and paste the Instagram link you've just copied. Your download will be queued by the bot, and once it's ready, you'll receive a notification in the channel. Just click and save your desired video or photo. Remember to like and subscribe and enjoy using the bot.